Hey guys, welcome to this Cobol programming course. This is the first video and we'll be discussing about module 1, which is introduction to Cobol. In this video, we'll be discussing about history and overview of Cobol. Also, we'll be discussing about different compiler options we have in our Cobol programming series. So let's start. History and overview of Cobol. Cobol, which stands for Common Business Oriented Language designed for business data processing needs. It's an English-like language. We can write, all the instruction can be coded in simple English, which is easy to write and easy to read. If we talk about versions, it was developed in late 1950, but it was first approved in 1968 by ANSI as a standard language for commercial use. The version name was Cobol 68. Again, it was revised in 1974 and 1985 to develop the subsequent version named Cobol 74 and Cobol 85. It was again revised in 2002, which had the OOP facility, Object-Oriented Programming Language. The version was Cobol 2002. If we talk about features of the Cobol, it's a standard language which can be coded and compiled in different machines like AS400 and personal computers. It's a business-oriented language which can handle huge volume of data. It's a robust language because it has numerous debugging and testing tools available in the market for all the platforms. It's a structured language because it has different divisions, sections, and paragraphs, which is easy to write and easy to read. Also, it is easy to debug. So that's all about this lecture. We will meet in the next one. Thank you.